Earth's largest woodworking database exposed. Welcome to the world of TED's Woodworking, Earth's largest database of woodworking projects. Dive into a treasure trove of over 16,000 plans suited for all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned craftsman, TED's Woodworking offers detailed plans that guide you every step of the way. Say goodbye to confusion and guesswork. Each project plan is meticulously detailed with step-by-step instructions, cutting lists, and full-color diagrams. You'll know exactly what to do every step of the way. Imagine transforming simple pieces of wood into artistic masterpieces. With TED's Woodworking, you can create anything from small crafts to full-scale furniture effortlessly. Feeling overwhelmed by the choices? Don't worry. The database is organized by categories, making it simple to find the perfect project for your needs and interests. No more searching for inspiration. TED's Woodworking provides all the ideas and guidance you need. Unleash your creativity and make something truly unique. You don't need to be a pro to get started. With easy-to-follow instructions, even a novice can craft stunning pieces that impress everyone. Enjoy the satisfaction of building something with your own hands. Each completed project is a testament to your skill and dedication. The database includes projects for all types of woodworking, from small decorative items to large functional furniture. The possibilities are endless. Save time and money with TED's Woodworking. No need for expensive tools or materials. Just follow the plans and watch your projects come to life. Join a community of woodworking enthusiasts who share your passion. Get tips, advice, and feedback from fellow woodworkers, making your experience even richer. Start your woodworking journey with TED's Woodworking today. Discover the joy, satisfaction, and endless possibilities that come with crafting beautiful, functional pieces from wood.